This is Saujanya. Welcome to e-Manabadi. Today we are going to talk about problems on perimeter from mensuration chapter 10. And children, let's see the problems on perimeter. Children, you know that perimeter is nothing but distance traveled along the boundaries of a closed figure. So here the perimeter is nothing but 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, that is nothing but 12 centimeters. This is 12 centimeters, and here this is 35 plus 23 plus 35 plus 40. The perimeter is nothing but 35 plus 40 plus 35 plus 23, that is nothing but 133 centimeters. And in same way here the perimeter is nothing but 15 plus 15 plus 15, that is nothing but 60 centimeters. And here also the perimeter is nothing but 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is nothing but 20 centimeters. And here also the perimeter is nothing but 1 plus 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.5 plus 4, that is nothing but 15 centimeters. And here the perimeter is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is nothing but 52 centimeters. Coming to the next one, the lid of a rectangular box of size 40 centimeters. Suppose this is a lid of rectangular box and this is having the length as 40 centimeters and breadth as 10 centimeters. We need to seal this all around with tape. You know that the length of tape is nothing but perimeter of the rectangular lid. Here the perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. This is nothing but 2 into 40 plus 10, that is nothing but 100 centimeters lid is required to, tape is required to seal all around the rectangular lid. And here the tabletop measures 2 meters 25 centimeters, 1 meter 50 centimeters. And here this is the tabletop, here 2 meters 25 centimeters and 1 meter 50 centimeters. And you know that the perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus B, but here the length was given in meters and centimeters and breadth also was given in meters and centimeters. Let's convert this into either meters or centimeters. Let's convert this into meters. You know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So 25 centimeters is equal to 25 by 100 meters, that is nothing but 1 by 4 meters, that is equal to 0.25 meters. So this 2 meter 25 centimeters is nothing but 2.25 meters. And you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters and 50 centimeters is equal to 50 by 100 meters. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 meters, that is equal to 0.5 meters. So here 1 meter 50 centimeters is nothing but 1.5 meters. So the perimeter equal to, you know that perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Let's substitute the values of L and B here. Here 2.25 plus 1.50 equal to 3.75. 3.75 into 2 is nothing but 7.50 meters. And coming to the next one, what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame the, suppose this is a photograph, rectangular photograph having breadth as 21 and length as 32 centimeters. And here the photograph has to be framed with wooden frame. So here the length of the wooden strip is nothing but perimeter of the rectangular photograph. Here the rectangular photograph perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Here L is given 21 centimeters and B is given 32 centimeters. So here 2 into 53 is nothing but 106 centimeters. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometers and 0.5 kilometers. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of wire is needed? Suppose this is a rectangular piece of land and this is of 0.5 kilometers as breadth and length is 0.7 kilometers, and here we need to fence it with 4 rows of wire. First let's find out the perimeter of the rectangular field, then find out the length of the wire is needed to fence it with 4 rows of wires. Suppose here L is given 0.7 kilometers and B is given 0.5 kilometers. Length of wire equal to 2 into L plus B, that is nothing but 2 into 1.2, that is equal to 2.4 meters. For one round it is required 2.4 meters but we need to fence it with 4 rows of wire. So this is 4 into 2.4, that is nothing but 9.6 meters. And coming to the next one, find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Suppose a triangle of sides 3 centimeters. Suppose this is a triangle ABC and each side was given 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. That is nothing but perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CA, that is nothing but 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 12 centimeters. And coming to the next one, an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeters. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle. You know that in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal and each side is given as 9 centimeters. Here each side is given as 9 centimeters. You know that the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3s. So substitute the value of s. Here 3 into 9 is nothing but 27 centimeters. An isosceles triangle with equal sides 8 centimeters each and third side is 6 centimeters. You know that in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and the equal sides are given 8 centimeters and the third side is given 6 centimeters here. And you know that perimeter is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA. So 8 plus 8 plus 6, that is nothing but 22 centimeters. And coming to the next one, find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 10 centimeters. Suppose this is a triangle ABC and here the length was given 10 centimeters, 14 centimeters and 15 centimeters as its sides. The perimeter is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to 10 plus 14 plus 15, that is equal to 39 centimeters. And find the perimeter of regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 centimeters. Suppose this is a, you know that regular hexagon having 6 sides. All the 6 sides are equal sides and each side here is given as 8 centimeters. Here each side is 8 meters and the perimeter of the regular hexagon is nothing but 6s. So here 6s is nothing but 6 into 8, that is nothing but 48 meters. The perimeter is nothing but 48 meters. And find the side of square whose perimeter is 20 meters. Suppose this is a square whose perimeter is given as 20 meters. The perimeter is given as 20 meters. That is, you know that perimeter in square, all the sides are equal. So the perimeter is nothing but 4s. Here 4s is equal to 20 meters. 4s is given as 20 meters. And you need to find out the side, each side. So s is equal to 20 by 4. And this is 5 meters. So each side is 5 meters. And the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeters. And how long is its side? Let me erase this, all this. You know that in a pentagon is having 5 sides. All the 5 sides are equal sides. So this is a pentagon having all the sides are equal. And here the perimeter was given. You know that in a pentagon all the sides are equal, so the perimeter is 5s. S plus s plus s plus s plus s is nothing but 5s. The perimeter is 5s. That is nothing but they have given 100 centimeters. So 5s is equal to 100 centimeters. We need to find out the each side. So s is equal to 100 by 5. That is nothing but 20 centimeters. So each side is 20 centimeters. And coming to the next one, a piece of string 30 meters long, what will be the length of each side if the string is used to form? Suppose if the string is used to form a square, suppose this is the string having 30 centimeters long and this string is used as square. So this string is used to form a square here. So the length of here, the length of this string is nothing but the perimeter of the square. In square all the sides are equal and this much wire is used to form this square. So the perimeter equal to the length of string is equal to perimeter of the square. Here the perimeter is nothing but, you know that perimeter is nothing but 4s. Because all the sides are equal, the perimeter is nothing but s plus s plus s plus s. That is nothing but 4s. 4s is given as 30 centimeters. So here s is nothing but 30 by 4. That is nothing but 7.5 centimeters. And if the string is formed an equilateral triangle, you know that in an equilateral triangle this much string is used, that 30 centimeter string is used to form an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. So the perimeter is nothing but 3s. Here the 3s, this 30 centimeters is used as to form the equilateral triangle. So 3s is equal to 30 centimeters. So from this you know that s is equal to 30 by 3 and each side is 10 centimeters. And suppose if the string is formed to form a regular hexagon, and this is the regular hexagon, you know that all the sides are equal in regular hexagon. So all the sides are, you know that perimeter is nothing but 6s. The perimeter of the regular hexagon is 6s. And here to form this regular hexagon 30 centimeters wire is required. So this 6s is nothing but 30 centimeters. The length of the string is equal to perimeter of the regular hexagon. So 6s is equal to 30 centimeters and s is equal to 30 by 6. That is nothing but 5 centimeters. And here two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeters. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. They have given two sides 12 centimeters and 14 centimeters. And perimeter was also given. So the perimeter is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA. So this is the perimeter. So here we don't know the third side. We need to find out the third side. So 12 plus 14 plus equal to 36. The perimeter is given 36. So here CA is equal to 36 minus 26. and CA equal to 10 centimeters. And here find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meters at the rate of 20 per meter. Suppose this is a square park and side is 250 meters. Its side is 250 meters and we need to find out the perimeter. You know that in a square all the sides are equal, so the perimeter is 4s, and here 4s is equal to, s was given 250 meters, so the perimeter is 1000 meters. And you know that per meter it is costing 20 rupees. So cost of fencing the square park at 20 per meter is 1000 into 20. Per 1 meter it is 20 rupees. For 1000 meters it is 1000 into 20 meters. That is nothing but 20,000 rupees is required to fence the square park. Children, this is about perimeter of the perimeter. And if you have any queries, please comment on the comment section. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you, children.